Hey everyone! Deploying your Google AI Studio app on Replit is a fantastic way to move from a prototype to a hosted, customizable web application. In 2026, Replit serves as the perfect environment to run the back-end code that Google AI Studio generates for you. Step 1. Exporting from Google AI Studio. We are starting inside Google AI Studio. Once your prompt is perfected, we're heading to the Get Code button. We do this to grab the actual source files that make your AI function. Click Get Code and look for the Download Zip option. Save the folder to your computer and extract or unzip the files. You'll usually see an index.html, main.js, or a Python file depending on your choice. Step 2. Importing into Replit. Now we are heading to Replit. We're heading to the Create REPL button. We do this to create a virtual space where your code can live and run 24/7. Instead of starting from a template, select Import from Computer or simply drag and drop your extracted files into the Replit file tree on the left. Once the files are uploaded, hit the big green Run button at the top. Step 3. Connecting the secrets, environment variables, setup. When you hit Run, Replit will likely prompt you for a Google AI Studio API key. We do this to give your REPL permission to use Google's Gemini models. Head back to Google AI Studio and click on the Get API Key icon in the sidebar to grab your API key. Step 4. Going live. Now that the key is saved, hit Run again. Replit will install the necessary packages and launch a preview window. The URL, you now have a live URL, e.g. projectname.username.repl.co that you can share with anyone. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.